Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmozhi, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on Cash Flow Statement Part 3. It is based on the curriculum of all our universities on these subjects. The contents are, we are going to see the format of cash flow statement, funds from operations and cash from operations. Like we go on to the funds from operation and funds lost in operation. The format goes as calculation of funds from operations. Profit of a period is a very important source of funds. The profit and loss account reveals the net profit or loss of a business. The net profit is arrived at after taking into account all items of income and expenditure, both the operating and the non-operating expenses, both with the fund items and the non-fund items. To arrive at the funds from operations, adjustments are made in the net profit for non-fund and non-operating items. Now do we go for the calculation of funds from operations. We add with the debit side goes with the depreciation, the goodwill's written off, patent written off, loss on sale of fixed asset, loss on sale of investment, loss on redemption of liability, preliminary expenses of the proposed dividend, transfer to general reserve, the current year provision of taxation, current year provision for depreciation, and the balancing figure. To the credit side of it, the opening balance profit is given, profit on sale of fixed assets, profit on sale of investments, profit on redemption of liability, transfer from general reserve. This goes with the balancing figure as funds from operations. So now we are to proceed with the funds from operation. The problems related to the cash from operation. The first step is to find out the funds from operation. This is a T form, that is a T form is adjusted P&L account with the debit and credit side we have seen. It can be prepared in the statement form also, like the net profit earned during the year, add all the non-fund and non-operating items, deduct the non-fund or non-operating items which are already credited to P&L account. Suppose if the profit and loss account shows a net loss, the above procedure will be reversed. Next we pass on to the calculation of cash from operation or cash lost in operation. Cash from operations refers to the net cash inflow from the operating activities, that is the regular business activities carried on by the business concern. It can be either prepared in the T form or the statement form. Here we have to solve with the format of cash from operation or cash lost in operation. That is, the first we start with the funds from operation, which is transferred from the P&L account. All the addition goes with a decrease in current assets, increase in current liabilities, and we deduct decrease in current liabilities and increase in current assets. We get the answer as cash from operations. Next we pass on to the how do we find with the cash flow statement. The cash inflows starts with the opening balance, cash in hand, cash at bank, further issue of equity or preference shares, securities premium on issue of shares, further issue of debentures and bonds, sale of fixed assets, sale of investments, dividends received, long-term loan raised, cash from operations which we have arrived at, closing balance, and last the bank OD. There we have preference shares redeemed, debentures or bonds redeemed, purchase of fixed assets, purchase of investments, repayments of loans, payments of tax, payment of dividend, cash lost in operation. Then we go with the closing balance of cash in hand and at cash at bank. These are the formats. We will see again the video presentations on cash flow statement part 4. Thank you.